So you have two rules, and the two rules are the ones we're using. One is about a leg and one is about an altitude, okay? Well, this guy is the altitude here, this one right here. So we don't have anything on him, so there's nothing we can do. They're not asking us to find him. They're not giving us any information on him. So we can't use the altitude. But we do have this leg. And we know that the leg is a geometric mean. Read your sentence. Between who? Y and who? What does the rule say?
15.
The hypotenuse, which is that 15. Remember, the hypotenuse is always the side, the whole side opposite the 90-degree angle at the top. And the piece next to the leg, which is Y. Everybody get that?
Yeah.
So are there two letters in that problem? No, there's just one, so you can find it. So you have 25 equals 15y divided by 15. So it's 3, it's 5/3. And what'd you get? What's the decimal?
1.67.
Yep, 5/3 or 1.67. Either one of those are equal is fine. If y is 1.67 and the whole thing is 15, how would I find x?
15 minus 15.
Which is 13.33.
Yes. Now you can do the
We
other
just
one.
found x. X equals 13.33. You didn't have to use a rule. All right, so now we got to find the z, but we've put in some numbers now, so the problem isn't as hard. Z is the geometric mean
Yes.
because it's a leg
And that's over.
between the whole hypotenuse and the piece next to the leg. And this is going to give you an ugly decimal. Multiply 15,
14.
What's above the Z? I can't see it.
13.33. You see it now? Or it has,
No, that's more down. Oh, yeah, there you go.
okay.
13.33. Okay.
So when I cross multiply, I get z squared equals 190 something. And then you square root that 190 something and you get 14.14.